it's Kelly. So today I'm doing this quick little cute makeup tutorial. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more. And yeah, let's go with the video. So first up for my transition shade, I'm taking Mocha and putting that in the crease. Now taking So Fetched, I am putting that in the crease, and I did change brushes just because this one packs it on a lot more. I'm taking a purple shade, which I'm not gonna lie, I forgot the name to. I'm packing that onto my outer V and just sweeping it through my crease, just the outer part, to make the inner part of my lid blended. With some Too Faced Born This Way mini concealer. And then I am placing the shade Sprinkles on it, but you don't see that because I don't know, I don't have the footage from it. Yeah. Okay, anyways, now I'm taking my Makeup Forever Flash Palette and doing some white liner, which I never do, but I love how it looked with this look, and it just looks so good. I don't know. So now I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I am back taking this new Valérène Labs Restore, which has zinc and niacinamide in it, and it's a facial serum, and I'm using that as a primer. It even got tacky like a primer. Now I take my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, what's this called, Pro Filter foundation. I am blending it out, and it looks weird. Like, you just have to see it blend it out, and it looks fine. Like, I don't know, I have a weird blending process, so it looks like literally a mask until, like, I'm done with my makeup, then it's like, oh, it's your skin. Okay, anyway, now I'm taking my Morphe Concealer Palette, and I'm gonna be adding a light base contour. This is just a base for the powder contour, but I liked it, so I went with it. Now moving into powder, I'm setting my face with one of my favorite brushes. I don't know, I just love this rose gold brush. And I'm setting my face using the Absolute HD Flawless Setting Powder. Now contouring my face using the Absolute contour and blush kit, and also adding some blush, which I never do, but I thought it was appropriate for the look. Now going into this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, I'm using one of the shades to actually highlight, and you can't see it on camera because I'm filming at 1 a.m., but it worked really well. I'm proud of it. Now going into my Urban Decay Vice Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Back Talk. I'm putting that on my lips, then I dug a brush into my lip gloss, and I look completely calm, but acting. And I put it on my lips, and there you go. That's the finished tutorial. So that was it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And my lash is coming off, but I will see you next time. Bye!